Our universe began with the Big Bang, an unimaginably dense and hot state of matter that expanded and cooled, eventually forming the galaxies, stars, and planets we know today. The age of our universe is a whopping 13.8 billion years. But what happened before the Big Bang? Does time even have a before? These questions have puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. For simplicity's sake, let's assume that time did begin with the Big Bang, so anything existing before then would indeed be older than our universe. But if everything had a beginning, why couldn't planets also have a beginning? And if they did, where did their building blocks come from? Some theories suggest that our universe is just one in a vast multiverse, a never-ending expanse of space containing countless other universes. In this model, there could be other universes that are older, containing planets and stars that are billions of years beyond anything we could fathom. But hold on. A new wrinkle. If our universe is constantly expanding, shouldn't everything within it also be expanding? Galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms? It seems that everything should get bigger, not older. Here's where things get really weird. Some physicists believe that our universe is not expanding, but rather new universes are constantly bubbling into existence. This process, known as eternal inflation, implies that the universe as we know it is actually a fragment of a much larger whole, and this larger whole is actually infinite. Eternal inflation suggests that space is not expanding, but rather new space is being created, which makes it possible for other universes to exist with different physical laws and constants. This could mean that some universes might be older than ours, perhaps containing civilizations far more advanced than our own. In this grand cosmic scheme, our universe is just a tiny blip in the grand timeline. In fact, in terms of the entire multiverse, everything in our universe is potentially trillions of years old. But there's still one more piece to this mind-bending puzzle. What if the stuff that makes up these hypothetical ancient planets came from outside these new baby universes? Rogue planets ejected from a previous generation of stars, and planetary systems could wander the multiverse, carrying with them the remnants of long-dead civilizations. The next generation of telescopes will scour the skies looking for signs of these rogue planets. If we find them, we might find answers. Bottom line, the universe is weirder than we think, and the most exciting discoveries are often in the realm of the impossible. Now you need to watch. Can we travel back in time? Or check out? What actually is the Big Bang?